Let's see, do these glasses make me look fast? What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon, and I just came from a run, which is why I look like I'm running fast, or moving fast for that matter. Anyway, this video is sponsored by TESERY, and today we're going to take a look, or deep dive into these roof racks for the Tesla Model 3 and also the Model Y. The roof racks have been newly designed to achieve maximum aerodynamic efficiency, minimum wind noise, low impact on battery consumption, and driving range. Can I prove that? No, but it does look good on paper. And mind you, it looks pretty cool on the car. Tailored to perfection, the Tesla roof rack is custom cut for all Model 3s and also Y vehicles, ensuring an impeccable fit. It perfectly matches the original car in both size and also to style. TESERY's roof rack is made from an aviation-grade aluminum alloy, so it can pretty much propel helicopters if it really wanted to. I don't know that, I just made that up. In any case, it's high in hardness, strength, and durability. I don't know why I did that. Not to mention, it is also too lightweight, or I'm just really strong, one of the two. Fine surface treatment immediately improves the quality of your car and also to maintain its color for a long time without the need of any kind of special maintenance. How to get this close to the camera? Let's go ahead and install this. The bases are marked for each location. The covers are marked as well, so you can't mess this up. It comes with pre-cut PPF that will be placed on specific spots on the roof. When you're on top of the roof, make sure you look for these mounting points. If I were you, I would definitely clean the roofs prior to the installation and then place the PPF and meet the screw holder to the arrow. Slide the screw holder under the molding. Once you have everything in place, if you have some help, have someone help you lower the racks onto the base. After that, you're going to tighten with an Allen wrench, but not too tight, ensuring that the marking is centered so you can put the cover on. After that, use the key to lock it up and you are good to go once you place the covers on it. TESERY's Tesla Model 3 and Model Y roof rack can hold roughly 100 kilograms or 220 pounds on top of it. Whether you enjoy adventures with your friends or just need a way to transport your cargo, the Model 3/Model Y roof racks is a perfect accessory for your vehicle. The upgraded Tesla Model Y roof rack is also equipped with locks, like I said before, at both ends, effectively ensuring the safety of your property during travel. The T-shaped slab design on the TESERY 3 and Y roof rack support the installation for large outdoor sports equipment such as bicycle racks, kayak, what do you call it? Kayaking racks? Is it kayaking? 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 I think kayaking's right. Kayaking racks, snowboard racks, all that good stuff. And if you don't do none of that, the roof rack just looks good on a car. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Mixonites, my link is going to be down in the description. TESERY, thanks for sponsoring this video. If you like what you see here, make sure you leave a comment. Will you be putting this on your roof? Let me know in the comment section below. Everything I mentioned will be listed in the description below. I think I said that before. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, flex with you later. Peace.